paper clay is exactly what it sounds like. It is clay that is made with paper. One of the uses is to make these onlay pieces from these molds to put on your furniture. So if you want to decorate your furniture a little bit, this is a really cool way to do it. This paper clay is available on Amazon, and so are these molds. I think the paper clay runs about $10 or less for a pound, and the molds run $10 to $12. These are some pieces that I made from paper clay. You can paint them, and they act pretty much like a wood onlay would, putting it on furniture. So all you do is put the paper clay in these little molds, and you take it out almost immediately and you lay it out to air dry. So these are some of the pieces. Some of the larger pieces may crack a little bit like this. The manufacturer says to add some more paper clay in these places that crack. It takes 1 to 3 days for one of these pieces to dry. So, and it is paintable, and you can also put varnish on it. It will get a little bit soft when you paint it. My advice is to glue it to your furniture before you paint it. So before it goes on your furniture, it is a little bit fragile, and that much fragile. It can take a little bit of abuse, but once it's on your furniture, it's going to be really sturdy. This is what the paper clay looks like. It's kind of like Play-Doh. Acts a whole lot like Play-Doh. So you put your paper clay in the mold like that, and then, if I can do this one-handed, and there you go. As it dries, you want to make sure that you lay it flat. So that is the simple explanation of what paper clay is. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check back often. I put up new videos all the time. And if there's a video you would like to see, leave me a message in the comment section and maybe I'll make it. Thank you.